So I still have a few of these DOM ones with the hole in the center, and I'm going to go through the process and run the drill down the center anyway. It's roughly a 1/2 inch hole. Hopefully it's pretty close to center. DOM's not too accurate as far as concentricity goes. So basically I'm going to shave the front down, put a chamfer on, run the drill through, pull out, and then do an M1 stop, flip the part, and then do another face to take it down to the final height. I don't necessarily have to do that, but I'm here. I'm just going to do it. It just works out better that way. And you can see where I had to extend the drill tip down through the bottom of the hole in order for it to drill completely, and I just sacrificed the plastic there on the depth stop. I just made sure there's no burrs sticking up. It's flat where it's at, so that's good. That's perfectly fine. Shiny. There's no noticeable burr on the chamfer there. What am I running? 350 surface feet per minute. I could probably up that a bit. I may tweak it a bit more. I've got a bunch of these to go. If I think about it, now's a good time to take care of any burr that might be there. Cycle time is just under 3 minutes, and it's 3 minutes and 16 seconds. Well, they're coming out really nice. That's what I need there. I don't want it too extremely tight or whatever. The size is coming out right. The dimensions and everything. Yeah, 0.6, nice. They should fit in the hole. I have no clue what that dimension even is. Putting the new Lakeshore fire plug in there really made the difference. I could probably turn the speed back up quite a bit. But, you know, it's one of those things where it's like it's working rather than screw with it right now. I think I'm just gonna run with it. Get them done. Still quite a few there. But the dull cutter, you can see, just push the metal around a bit instead of actually cutting it.